Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our engaging session on managing innovation and technological change.
Today's discussion will center around a topic that serves as the cornerstone of innovation and business growth: new product, new process. Specifically, we'll be delving into how new products are envisioned, developed, and successfully brought to market, a process that is both challenging and rewarding. Let's begin by addressing a fundamental question. What exactly is a new product? At first glance, you might think a new product is simply something that has never existed before. However, in the realm of business and innovation, the definition is much broader and more nuanced. A new product refers to any offering that delivers value in a fresh, impactful way. It could be a groundbreaking invention like the first smartphone or electric vehicle, or it could be an enhancement to an existing product, such as a faster laptop or a more energy efficient washing machine. Sometimes a product may already exist in the market but is new to a specific company or entering a new segment or geographic market for the first time. New products come in various forms. Some are breakthrough innovations, revolutionary ideas that fundamentally change industries, like the creation of the internet or the advent of 3D printing technology. Others are incremental improvements which refine existing offerings to better meet customer needs, such as adding advanced safety features to cars or upgrading a smartphone's camera for higher resolution. Regardless of whether the product is entirely novel or an improvement, the ultimate goal remains the same: to create something that addresses a need, solves a problem, or opens up new opportunities within the marketplace. Time to do the structured journey. New product development, NPD. Creating a new product isn't a single step task. Rather, it's a structured multi-phase journey known as new product development, or NPD. This process begins long before the product ever reaches store shelves and continues even after its launch. The NPD process typically unfolds through several key stages. One, idea generation. This is where the seeds of innovation are planted. Ideas can emerge from internal research and development teams, customer feedback, competitive analysis, or even brainstorming sessions. These raw ideas serve as the foundation for what could become the next big thing. Two, idea screening. Not every idea is worth pursuing. During this stage, the businesses carefully evaluate and filter out concepts that are not feasible, cost effective, or aligned with their strategic goals. 3. Concept development and testing. Viable ideas are transformed into detailed concepts, often accompanied by sketches, descriptions, or mock-ups. These concepts are then tested with target customers to gather feedback and refine the offering further. 4. Business analysis. Before moving forward, companies assess whether the product has financial viability. Will it generate profit? Is there enough demand in the market? What are the costs involved? 5. The product development. This is where the idea takes tangible form. Whether it's a physical prototype, software beta version, or fully functional model, the product is created and refined during this phase. 6. Market testing. The product is introduced in a controlled environment to observe real-world customer behavior. This step provides valuable insights into potential improvements and helps validate market readiness. 7. Commercialization. If all goes well, the product is launched on a full scale, backed by robust marketing campaigns, distribution networks, and after-sales support systems. While this process appears logical and systematic, the reality is often more complex. Innovation is rarely a straight path, and unexpected challenges frequently arise. And then the dispelling myths, the 7 misconceptions of NPD. Throughout the journey of developing new products, certain misconceptions or myths can mislead managers and teams. Let's debunk these myths to better navigate the process. 1. Myth 1. Success is guaranteed if the product is technically superior. While technical excellence is important, it's not enough. Even the most advanced product can fail if it doesn't address a real customer need or lacks sufficient demand in the market. 2. Myth 2. Market research can predict everything. Research is undoubtedly valuable, but it has limitations, especially for radically new products. Customers often don't know what they want until they experience it. Think of innovations like the microwave oven or the tablet computer, which were initially met with skepticism. 3. Myth 3. Bigger R&D budgets lead to better products. Success isn't determined by how much money is spent, but by how effectively resources are utilized. Creativity, agility, and focus often outweigh sheer spending power. 4. Myth 4. Speed to market guarantees leadership. Being first can offer advantages, but it's not always decisive. Many first movers fail because their products lack refinement, while fast followers improve upon the concept and dominate the market. 5. Myth 5. Good products sell themselves. Rarely does this happen. Even exceptional products require strong marketing, effective distribution, compelling branding, and reliable after-sales support to succeed. 6. Myth 6. Senior management always knows best. Often those closer to customers, such as sales teams or frontline employees, to have better insights into practical needs and preferences. Successful innovation draws input from multiple layers of the organization. 7. Myth 7. Failure is bad and should be avoided at all costs. On the contrary, failure is an essential part of the learning process. Many iconic products like Post-it notes or WD-40 emerge from lessons learned through earlier setbacks. Handa Bahana predicting success. Key indicators. Although there's no foolproof formula for predicting success, several indicators can provide valuable guidance. Product market fit. Does the product address a genuine customer need or pain point? Competitive differentiation. How does the product stand out in the marketplace? Market readiness. Is the timing right for the product's introduction? The pricing strategy. Is the product priced competitively while ensuring profitability? Internal capabilities. Does the company have the resources and expertise to deliver and support the product effectively? Quantitative tools like conjoint analysis, Bayes diffusion models, and voice of customer VOC data can further refine predictions, helping businesses understand customer preferences and forecast adoption rates. And models of NPD for commercial success. Structured models bring discipline, clarity, and focus to what can otherwise be a chaotic innovation process. Let's explore 3 widely used approaches. 1. Stage gate process. This model divides the NPD journey into sequential stages such as idea generation, feasibility assessment, development, testing, and launch. At each stage, decision gates determine whether to proceed or abandon the project. This approach is ideal for filtering out weak ideas early and allocating resources to the most promising initiatives. 2. Design thinking. Unlike linear models, design thinking is iterative and user-centered. It begins with empathy, deeply understanding customer problems, followed by ideation, prototyping, testing, and refining. This method is particularly useful for tackling complex or uncertain challenges. 3. Lean startup methodology. This modern approach prioritizes speed and efficiency. Companies develop a minimum viable product MVP, launch it quickly, and refine it based on user feedback. By shortening development cycles, businesses can reduce waste and accelerate learning. Many organizations blend these models to leverage their strengths. For example, design thinking may be used to generate ideas, while successful concepts are commercialized through a stage gate process. Final conclusion, developing new products and processes is both an exciting challenge and a powerful opportunity. The market rewards those who can transform creative ideas into reality through disciplined, validated, and customer-focused efforts. Innovation is not a stroke of luck or magic. It is a structured process of learning, testing, refining, and delivering. By understanding what truly drives product success and avoiding common pitfalls, businesses can increase their chances of launching offerings that not only survive but thrive in competitive markets. Thank you for your attention today. In our next session, we'll explore strategies for diffusing innovation across markets and industries. I look forward to seeing you then.